In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract pages from PDF in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go over here to the left-hand side and you want to click on Thumbnails. Inside Thumbnails, you want to go ahead and select what you want to extract and then select it, right-click and click on Extract Pages. Now, from over here, it's going to pop up this window where you can basically select your page range. So you have a bunch of different options. You could do either all pages, just the current one, the selected one, or a custom range. So I'm just going to do the selected one, which is the second page over here, and then you have a bunch of different options. You could delete it after extracting, you could extract them as separate files, and then you have a bunch of different additional ones over here as well. And you can just click on OK, and it's going to extract. It's going to ask you what you want to name this. So I want to name it like this. I'm not going to change it. You have to select where you want to save it, click on Save, and you've successfully extracted pages over here from your PDF in Bluebeam. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.